Hello guys, welcome back to my another video, and today is Valentine's Day, as you guys already know, 14th of February. Yeah, so but I'm not going out on a date. Yeah, but this video is like if I go out on a date. So yeah, let's start. mayamna khangdaba oiragadi I do nails also, like this acrylic nails. These are those acrylic nails. Acrylic nails sina igi left ni sina igi right ni. Lips original purple color with some glitter kara happy and some crystal stone kara design tawni. Aduga right kisina nude color oiraga just gold glitter kara design tawni. Yang kana hu sanghandre this is medium length and this is long sang ba haida long length haida sang sidi sina kara mu tel aina right ni na yam sang du ngai ba. So yeah, I be Instagram gi haziki Inhome Nail Salon gi account do I see that thazarake right here, and I'll also put in my description, so please check that and go follow me there. I mamandi cheap price ta tawjagani habidi professional nail salon singdadi like 2 rupees 2,500 to like 3,000 above nani lawnai hai ado agidi ayam kana so tang de bida like half muktaraga like 1,000 average adaina legani telaga chamaga design yam yaw de bida mamando dum hong design yam yaw di paisa kara hadi yam kana de chama chani adaini henkatlaga tawgani. Pulap ki oina di ay gel nail acrylic nails kani ba tawbe je do ani du pulap ki da haya di 800 tagina 1,200 adu buki manang da legani already hen loy, but aina hayang wai chawkhatla kanda hena atang ba pot adi leidana acrylic powder is makhan yam lay yam thina tang ba sum chaw polymer powder bottle macha shum tam chawda 4,000 5,000 6,000 bi lay adu ma sina mga magai tang pa yai but haziki oina di ka sham tang noi. So yeah, please go follow me there, and I next month dagi hawjagani hajik dagi hawju I next month da hawgani agi pot loina change kre pot to yaw ani next month ta ka daw male adu matam da ina give away ma tawjagani nupi singi khatangi I give away ma ongdo yam naina tawni ba di luna ka hadona ne process yam sangan do adani tawjar andiga only 2 winner or 1 winner khange adu matam da ka di yam kana su I did thabak to yam kana su chaw bi roi da banina aduga aina khaliba winner ama na chaga ani da ina free acrylic nails or gel nails, whatever she want, whatever design, whatever length, anything aina tawini. So yeah, please stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and like my video. First I makeup han hozarage makeup se I atang budi mayam na tawnai saina di yang kana tang budi tawte paisa su lei tabani na, but hoping for it. Aloe vera gel work too as a primer, so I'm putting aloe vera gel here. I like this in my trong the windows it something like you know something like come out okay Brian hand over your new face now. Okay, then foundation the Swiss Beauty high coverage foundation she's high coverage or in the thazaro kitang ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯕꯔꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯕꯔꯦꯖꯄꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯔꯥ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯍꯥꯟ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯛꯁꯜꯂꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯨꯝꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯤꯛꯁꯟꯒꯅꯤꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯕꯠ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯨꯞꯄꯤꯔꯒꯀꯣ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯁꯣꯞꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯪꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯨꯞꯄꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩ ꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯏꯅꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯕꯦ ꯆꯅꯨꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯥꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯨꯔꯒꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯆ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯌꯣꯔ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯆꯤꯆꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯔꯥ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯕꯦ ꯆꯅꯨꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 11 12 10 11 12 ꯑꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯩꯆ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯗꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ 12 ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯌꯨꯗ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯖꯝ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯝꯃꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ 3 ꯇꯝꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯗꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯃꯥ ꯀꯣꯔꯁ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯨꯑꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯝꯊꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯃꯥꯖꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯃꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯝꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯅꯦꯀꯦꯇꯟ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯀꯩ ꯂꯝꯗꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯥꯡꯃꯩꯕꯟ ꯁꯤꯅꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯤ ꯂꯩꯃ ꯀꯩ ꯂꯝꯗꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯖꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯂꯤꯅꯥ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯨꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯆꯍꯤ 21 ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔ 9ꯗ ꯑꯩ 21 ꯐꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ now I'm using this Maybelline New York Ash Ruin Concealer ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯂꯥꯏꯠꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯗꯣꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯃꯟꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯦꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯋꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯣ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯃꯊꯛꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯃꯨꯛ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯥꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯔꯖꯤꯠ ꯀꯣꯟ ꯅꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯝꯂꯦ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯏꯟ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ really I enjoy your videos hope for more videos keep it up sis thank you so much thank you Amarjit Kaun ꯑꯩ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯏꯟ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯏꯟ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯅꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯌꯔ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯕꯠ ꯑꯩ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯕꯠ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯨꯑꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯏꯟ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯂꯣꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯒ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯋꯥꯏ ꯏꯟ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯂꯣꯟ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯩꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯅ Gayatri Irom hangise nangna khwaidagi pamjaba mathelse kaino aina khwaidagi pamjaba mathelse sagina konna harage hajik kaino utti ne adaidi mairen thongbane tharoi sune adaidi kaiba soibum irombane adaidi belendri iromsu pame pambadi yam yame adaidi khange kangsoi amagane singju gumma me yardi adaidi nga ayaiba gumba natra nga atawa yardi yam hawe andugo sagi dadi nganu janinge ai brow gidi ai off camera tawjare hadi aigi brow gi application sidi kya kanasu interesting oidaba hadi aduga ai yam kanasu ngasidi daydre just some fill in tawraga lore hayangwai ai kani potsu ai kise ai brow gani makeup se kya kanasu ai se myamsu leijadaba tangdaba hadi mine yengli interesting budi oidre adu hayangwai su kani mogi brow gi Anastasia Beverly Hills ki brow pomade kumba adadi atopa leira kano mujarage ajo khangdi khangba hadi makeup video se am yengeba hadi yenge duna kaina phai kaina tangi kaina phajai kaina loi khange adu ana loi nudi khangdi ko adu anambana udi khange adu leiba ngamjada bai upai leitaba haido are so yeah next question today Andita Yumnam hangise pretty nang chahi kya surage nang tokthorok adum yenge nungai keep it up nang rebitu yam cute oi as I like you thank you so much Andita I chahi gidi 21 hai duga next kisina cool gamer kai lamdaino kai hotnarige ai thangai ban sinam likai ai hotnabadi haji ai mamang su hai kredana ko aduga makha khumrani da ai kidan loose powder taraga kitang shade tawi okay aduga next ki question se ben now sairem dagi pretty si kai lam dagi no hojik na kai tawi ichin na kayano sisu anam question se loi manai haidi ai ahan ba Q&A oibani na kai lam dai no kai hotnari adu ming chahi adu nga oi adu ichin inau kayano si oni kumjai ichin inau ai koi ahum ne yamba ma ichi ama aduga aiga aina last ne aduga aidi bullet leiten hangse noi nachinanau noi ni nachinanau ro man haise ai ina nu pi duga ne ai je ichin inau ne cousin aduga mathangi question sina naurem pretty ama se pokminaba nanau nu pi ro ibani cousin ne ai ki inau nu pi cousin aduga next question sina Susma Polem chahi kya surage kai hotnarge sis sisu ai kanthok jai hadi mangda khumkre but thank you so much for asking aduga kan mathangna honi heisnam dagi pretty se yam nusi khonjel su wangang su yam taning bo oye ando nang se chahi kaya surage aduga hojikna kai hotnarige adu khangninge sisu ai mamangda khumjakre so warau pino next question se Clinton Lystrom sisu mane nang chahi kya surage yam chamna hangbani ai chahi 21 aduga athoi sukham class kyano kaidaino ichinnaw kyano makeup hol na karamba sizinage sisu ana khumkre do makeup hol na karamba sizinage makeup hol ai dum anamradi ai kaino purple haiba kaino do shopping app do dai sizinai Amazon dai su chenba yawe aduga brushes kumba hadi sum atopa khara hadi makeup tools na dum wrong way da yawa khara aduga saidagi adum ahong achau thira adum sizinai okay let's move on to eye aina khara matik chana lai babu brush khara matik chana lai atopadi I'm using this blending brush aduga ai gidi pink tawrage blush palette sidagi adum sizinage transition set oina basigi peach color haigadra peachy over color apply on my crease. Okay, aduga using this brush and I'll khara stagi ayak color je lauraga twilight se kara laurani aigi fingertips na and just sigi try area da yare aduga okay question maka next question se mairaba sarang them noi ani nachin nau natraga naknaba marubra ibani cousin ne friend on sudum phajana tinai aduga sanatori thingbai jamna kailam dagin hambire ai thangran sinam lekai aduga next question se angamba kakting tabam nang yam mature oi which I like. Okay, my question is how old are you? But aina chahi 21 aduga inaunpi na chahi 19. Aduga next question sina Mira Huirem sis na khwaidagi pamjaba color karambano aduga sise yam fajaye kai jage nambana aina khwaidagi pamjaba color di gray ne black ne yellow pink and nude colors mami aduga and thank you so much for your compliment. Aduga question next question sina Sorojini Naidu ise ming asengmudi oiramgadabdi mande but Sorojini Naidu ina thame when are you uploading your next makeup tutorial? Sine avatar is the video se adu ai tutorial on the tawjabdi na ai mayam da takpadi na te ai kai hani ai haizu haite ai dum ai tawam thokpado khara tawjabne da ina sum video ko film tawa pamjabagi sum namjabane ai mingon mayam da ai tutorial on the takpadi na te but maka khumdingida eyeliner hana tege. Okay, for eyeliner I'm using this Simply Pretty from Avon waterproof liquid eyeliner. Aina eyeliner yekpase sumaina ahamada line macha amuk khana chelani aduga sumaina wing macha ma seme aduga si fill in tawsandoine aduga sumaina ye aduga aina kitang swaida su kitang hapke kitang kani mittu khara mittu hap aingon hap matam mitaba khangde ko aingon adaina hap matam haidi mittu kitang lok thokpa kitang kani sang tokpa na mali tawe. So yeah, this is it. Okay, question maka amukum mage loidi loramani question ka sham yamba nattabane okay next question is Monojit Elambam ichin ina kya suge aduga family related video ama sema o chak chamina ba oigera thongingi oigera natrasu anything family member yawa video ama okay ai family member yawa video ama adu matam semna wa najarke aduga ichin ina kya suge ichin ina ohum aduga next ki question jina Basanta Chinga Khamdagi question am hangire sister kari hinjang na khwaidagi pambi bage aduga apamba maitai ki laibak ningba thawa amatang haibiyu. ꯍꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯟꯖꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯎꯇꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯊꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯄꯥꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟꯇꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯊꯧꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯦ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯁꯥꯄꯝ ꯔꯣꯕꯤꯟ ꯍꯨꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯅꯥꯔꯨ ꯂꯤꯂꯤꯁ ꯋꯥꯔꯜꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯑꯦ who motivated you to do eating videos motivatedꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯁे ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯇ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯪꯅꯔꯛꯑꯦꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯪꯅꯔꯛꯑꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯒꯀꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯒꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯇꯤꯡ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯗꯅꯀꯣ ASMR ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯚꯦꯔꯣꯅꯤꯀꯥ ꯋꯥꯡ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯂꯦꯠꯁ ꯏꯠ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯐꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯣꯔꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯡꯉ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯩꯔꯥꯕ ꯁꯔꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯀꯩ ꯂꯝꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯪꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯨꯔꯒꯦ ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯄꯥꯁꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯉꯥꯡꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯝꯃꯤ ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯌꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯆ ꯒꯥꯏꯁ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯌꯣꯔ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯔ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯝꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ Q&A ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯂꯥꯁꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯒꯦ eyelashes. Wow. I atoppa face structure I contour tojara only my nose because nose contouring is a must for me. So. Blush Okay, so now let's move on to outfit. Like, what if I'm gonna wear if I go out on a Valentine's Day? I'll be wearing
clothes on TV, leaving everything that hits me. Do you see what I see? Oh, and it's a bit cold. We live in a sick world, and it's a bit bold, but we burn on our own clothes. In my own we found everything lights. In my own we found everything. Set myself free. In my own we found everything lights. In my own we found everything. Set myself free. It's a bit cold. We live in a sick world, and it's a bit bold.
Okay guys, this is the final look of what if I go out on a Valentine's Day. So yeah, please subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned for more interesting video coming out soon. So yeah, bye bye guys. Please go follow my nail account on Instagram. I'll put the link in my description, and please like and subscribe to my channel so that
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come close. Send me your location, let's ride the vibe.